welcome back to Artichokos. Artichokos is a place where you will learn everything about chocolate making. So today we are starting our practical session with crackle chocolate. Crackle is a very crispy chocolate and the secret behind this crispiness is roasted rice balls. If you love dairy milk crackle, then this chocolate will give you the same taste. The dairy milk crackle is made with milk chocolate and roasted rice balls. If you want the same taste of dairy milk crackle, then make it with milk chocolate only. But here we are adding a little portion of dark chocolate to cut the sweetness, because nowadays people don't want very sweet chocolate. And I am teaching you this chocolate without mold because we want to teach you something new and creative. But you can make this chocolate in mold also.
So here I am taking a parchment paper and I have already drawn a circle on it so that your chocolate can come out in almost equal size. Apart from parchment paper, I am taking roasted rice balls or rice krispies and a mix of dark and milk chocolate. Please note it down one thing here, that use chocolate as per your requirement, because once you will mix rice balls in it, you cannot use this chocolate anywhere else. If you want the pure dairy milk crackle chocolate, you can make it with pure milk chocolate also. And here if you can see the difference between these rice balls, this is unroasted rice balls and this is roasted rice balls. We have roasted until you get a light golden color. Here we will use roasted rice balls or rice krispies. One thing you have to keep in mind, that when you are adding rice balls in chocolate, your chocolate should be at room temperature. If you will add it in a hot chocolate, your chocolate may become soggy. So this is a very important step while making crackle. Now add rice balls in chocolate and mix it well. Here you can increase or decrease the ratio of rice balls. If you want more crunches in your chocolate, then increase the ratio of rice ball, and if less, then decrease the ratio. So coat your rice ball properly in chocolate. So here I am taking yellow chocolate to make a chocolate disc. So start pouring it from the center. Now tap the mold, and we don't want to set our chocolate completely. Our chocolate is little set now. As you can see, it's not coming on my hand. So at this stage, what I have to do, I will pour my crackle chocolate on it, the mixture we have already made. So now start pouring crackle chocolate on it. Cover the chocolate disc properly so that you get a almost equal shape. Now tap the mold. My chocolate is little set, not completely set, just a little set. So now I am using this cap to cut my chocolates. Even you can use cookie cutter also. Just press it little bit and a chocolate will come out easily. Don't worry about the finishing, we will give the final finishing at the end, or once the chocolate will be set completely. Let it set for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes my chocolate is completely set. So now you can see the scrapes or the side scrapes are easily coming out, or you can give the complete finishing or final finishing with the help of knife. It's easily coming out. See, drizzle white chocolate on it and your chocolate is ready.